If you are receiving a lot of notifications from Duolingo language app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable Duolingo language app notifications or alerts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your smartphone and look for the app. So mine is here. And we need to access the app info page. You can either do this through settings or you can simply just long press on your app and you should see app info, but depending on your smartphone version, you might be missing this. Look for a settings gear next to this or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of this to access Duolingo app info page. From here, we need to go to permissions section and down below look for notifications. Currently you can see it is turned to yes. If I open and look at the breakdown, all these notifications are on, among them vibration, play sound, lock screen, floating notifications, notification badges, and permanent notifications. With this on, you'll always receive those notifications and sometimes they might be annoying. To turn them off, toggle off show notifications, and all those notifications will be muted forever or turned off forever unless you go ahead and toggle it on again. So that's how you can disable Duolingo app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.